Hi guys, thanks for tuning in once again, and today we are going to do this beautiful Indian festive look which is basically dedicated to Teej. So this is basically a Teej look because Teej is just around the corner, so I thought why not give you guys a full video dedicated to Teej. This festival is about goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva's reunion, and basically all the ladies, girls and all get ready in maybe red and green, and just put henna on their hand, which I haven't done as of now, and just sing and dance and make merry basically. So guys, this is my look is more on the lines of green. As you can see, I am kind of wearing a green outfit, and but I kept my eyes not so traditional, a little aquatic and green both. If you like what you see, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so you already know the drill. Oops, I do have a pimple, but let's just ignore it. So now I've already moisturized my face, and now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and putting it all across my face. You guys know this drill. I've shown you a couple of times if you've been following me from the start. And now I'm just going to dab it with the help of my beauty blender. Alternatively, you can also use your brush, your foundation brush, but somehow as of now I'm just loving the finish of my beauty blender, so I just can't keep it down. And of course, you definitely need to take your foundation down your neck. Now I'm applying my lip balm because the lips do need some kind of love. And now again I'm applying my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and concealing my usual areas, which is my under eyes, my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin, and the area near my lips. So that is exactly what I'm doing, and then just blending it all out. Guys, I think I've told you enough times, but I'll still repeat myself. Blending is super important, because without that you will not get a great base, which is the basic foundation for any kind of makeup. And I do have a full video dedicated how to get a good base, so I would be linking it somewhere, so keep an eye on that as well. So yeah, I'm using one of my favorites, my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and very lightly putting it on my already concealed areas. This one is only to just brighten up those areas and give a little dimension to my face. I don't use it for my basic concealing, because I've purchased a shade lighter, and I like to just use it on top of my concealer just to brighten up my face. So yep, so definitely I am desperately trying to hide my pimple, and I'm kinda successful, not fully but kinda. So now I'm taking my powder compact and just taking a big swirl of the powder, tapping off the excess and dabbing it under my eyes. Today I don't feel like baking, so I'm just setting my concealed areas with powder, and I'm not swiping the my brush, but I am just patting it all over my face in a very light dabbing motions, so that everything is in its place. There is no marks of swiping the brush round, and just dabbing the powder in and setting my base. So now I am taking my contour powder. Today I'm doing a powdery contour, and just placing the product on the hollows of my cheek with a flat top brush, as you can see, and then just blending it in the sweeping wiper motions. Just be careful you do not displace the product all over your face, because it will defeat the purpose of contouring. It has to be, your contour has to be on the hollows, so that it looks natural and not weird on your face. So now I'm taking that lighter shade and tapping off all the excess, and placing it just below my contour to make a stark contrast, and again kind of placing it below my under eyes, so that whole of my face looks more put together on a similar tone and everything. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. Now with the fluffy brush, after 20 seconds or so, I am kind of blending it out. Everything, just tapping off all the excess product and making sure there is no harsh lines. And my contour is stark but still natural, if you know what I mean. So now I'm taking my cream highlighter from LA Girl and highlighting my usual areas, which is my cupid's bow, the high points of my cheek, as you can see right here, and my nose. And now I'm just kind of blending it out. So guys, with the stick highlighter, you just need to be a little careful because sometimes they are a little drying and they kind of move your foundation and concealer. So you don't need to swipe it across, just tap it if your stick has that kind of a issue. So now I'm contouring my nose. As you can see, the more closer you make those contour lines, the more chiseled your nose will look. The more far apart you draw the lines, the more broad your nose looks. So you can contour as per your liking. So you can see I am blending it with my hand because that's the best way to do it for your nose. So now I'm taking my Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade black and just putting it on my lower waterline, and will be tightlining my eye because I like to do that all the time. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing. Now I'm taking Lakme Konya in the shade green, I suppose. I'll be mentioning all the details of the products used in the bottom bar, so don't forget to check that out. So once I've put the green color halfway through my lid, I will just blend it out, as you can see right here, with my hand. And now I'm using my Sephora palette and taking that beautiful brown shade and placing it in my crease and just blending it in sweeping wiper motions. So just making sure that there are no harsh lines evidently on my crease. Now I'm taking that flesh tone brown and placing it above my crease so that there is a very good gradient transitioning effect happening. Now I'm taking the deep brown, tapping off the excess and placing it on the farthest end of my outer V and just blending it all out with a clean blending brush, as you can see. So now I'll be using these two beautiful aquatic, as in blue and green shades, and patting the color on my lid, in the center of my lid. As you can see here, I'm not sweeping the color across, I am patting it in and packing all the color on my lid. So guys, I have chosen these two color because green would be too green and blue would just not go with my dress. So these two colors give such a beautiful shade, and when you see it in light, it gives such a beautiful reflex. Anyway, so now I'm dragging that color blue and green on my lower lash line, as you can see, so that the whole eye looks complete. And now I am taking that deep brown shade and kind of dragging it again to the midpoints of my lower lash line, and once again going in my blending brush and blending it all out. So this step is like really important. If you do not take your colors down your lower lash line, they are kind of incomplete. Now I am doing my brows very lightly, and now I am putting my falsies off camera because I was kind of conscious of putting it on on camera. So I'm done with the falsies. Now I'm applying my mascara on my falsies so that both of my lashes, my natural and my artificial lashes, kind of gel in. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick and quickly putting it on my lips, taking my ColourPop highlighter and highlighting my cheeks away. So yeah, I'm putting it on the high points of my cheek, my eyebrows, my nose, my forehead, all the usual areas that I like to highlight. And because this is a special occasion, you can go as blinding as you want. Yeah, Cupid's bow, I forgot to mention that. that is exactly what I'm doing here, and making funny faces because that's something I like to do. And I'm taking my precision brush and taking the same highlighter and once again going in on my eyebrows, because as I said, special occasions means go as blinding as you want. And of course the inner corners of my eye, because I have not placed any product there as yet. So that is exactly what I'm doing. It makes a lot of difference, guys. It just open up your eyes, especially when you're using, darker colors. And on my nose, because I want to be as blinding as possible. Yeah, so now I'm shamelessly posing for the camera and for you guys, and kind of showing you all my profiles, because I don't know, probably I like to do that. Am I self-obsessed or what? I don't know, but I definitely like to pose for you guys. So that is there. So guys, this is how I achieved this whole look. So I hope you liked it and you learn a bit or two, and you would be all ready to rock this Teej. And if you like what you are seeing, then please give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, because it'll mean a world to me. And hit that notification bell as well, so that you do not miss out on any of the uploads from my end. And guys, thanks for watching.